Okay, so we're gonna go on our scanner. Once everything is plugged in, the OBD reader, it's gonna connect to this main interface. So we're gonna find Honda. I have to find Honda here. Okay, Japan, Asia. Okay, Asia right there, and then Honda. Yeah, it's done a loan test, and now we're gonna do the diagnostic and then the test, and then we're gonna turn the motor for each tire. Let's see, USA. So once we are on that screen, we should be able to activate the ABS module. So yeah, it's my car, and then hot functions. So now we're gonna have to find the brake bleed option right here. So now, after you guys do this, we're gonna grab one of those rubber hoses. Make sure it's clear so you guys can see the air bubbles. And then we're gonna go to each tire and bleed each single line. So it's gonna be one line for each tire. So we're gonna have to go through all of them and bleed them all. Let's see. Establishing communication. This thing's gonna be slow sometimes. Okay, so here, look. So we have the option here that it's called modulator bleed. Come check it out. Come check this out. So we have the option here on this tool that says modulator bleed. Okay, you press the option. So this function will bleed the system by introducing brake fluid into two lines on the VSA modulator. So we have the two lines going in. It will introduce fluid into those lines. We have to check and fill the master cylinder reservoir to the max level. Okay, so we want to make sure it's all the way full. Don't make a mess. All right, and now, okay, so it's full. Okay, so now we want to bleed them from the tires. Let's see, we have to go to our brake, and we need the number 10 or the number 8. I think we're gonna see now what we need. Yes. Okay, so come this way. I think it's gonna be the number 8. This one. Now your number 8, and then you're gonna introduce this little tube